All right, so what we're going to do today is go over the virtual open house campaign from start to finish, going through the setup with Royalty, the platform I use to do lead capture and email, all the way through the Facebook post and the conversion ad. All right, so let's get going. All right, the first thing you want to do is record a nice video or slideshow of the home and upload it to YouTube. And as you can see here, here's some of the open house tools that you're going to be using. Of course, you want to record your own video at the house that you're going to be doing, but this is all for simulation. So I just want you to get the idea. You may have to open up your own YouTube account, but once you've done that, you just upload this and it'll allow you to actually put this video into the Royalty platform. All right, from there, you want to log into Royalty. All right, and what we're going to do is click on landing pages, and once you click on landing pages, it'll bring you to this page, and we click add new. You fill in the information. Bottom line is you're going to look at the page name, and when you put that information, you're going to be thinking about the product, event, or service, and then you want to identify what this particular page is going to be for. So in this case, it'll be open house at 123 Main Street, and it's going to be a video tour. So in this case, we want to make sure we have something that identifies that it's going to be a video. Then from there, obviously you name the URL the same thing, and then look for the category real estate and subcategory realtor, and then you click create. Under the page builder, we're going to select video to start with, and then we drag to the workspace to the right of the menu itself. And from there, we're going to use basically the same exact heading, open house virtual tour, and the subheading would be the address of the home. Now, here, what we're going to do is find the URL for the open house that we just looked at from YouTube, and you're going to insert it where it says URL. And then for the description, we may put something like, payments as low as, and then whatever that number may be, the price of the home, and then add the description you would find from the MLS or whatever source you got that information. Then you would also click Style from the top of the menu, and then from there, you have the heading. You can adjust the font family, size, weight, style, or color. Same thing with the subheading. Same thing with the paragraph. So if you look above the video, all that information there can be adjusted. So we'll make it a little bit larger where the address is, and even change the color to something a little brighter. Let's try maybe blue. Make that a little bit larger. And we'll just go with that for now. All right, so now we have the video, we have the heading, pretty much where you want it to be. And then in the paragraph, we're fine. And then you just want to make sure that you click OK. All right, from there, you'll notice that we're going to put a button under the video. So you just grab a button and drop it directly under the video. Now, in this particular one, the heading is going to be call now to schedule your tour. And we could also set up a link here for a tool called Calendly for people to schedule their time with you if you wanted to set it up that way. But the great thing about this particular platform is it allows us to do some pretty unique things that you won't see in other platforms. We put the button text is call now, and then the button action, it has a couple of choices: redirect URL, phone call, email, and one other one. But what you want to do is set up phone call for this one, and then when you put the phone number in there, it's actually going to allow someone to call you from a mobile device by just clicking on the button that says call now. So if they're interested in using or seeing this home or getting a tour with you, they absolutely will be able to do that. So that's how you set up the uh, basically the landing page, or where you want them to actually end up with a video tour. So now we actually have a tour of the home, and we have a button for them to be able to actually click to contact you. All right, we'll stop here and then set up, and I'll finish this up on the next video.